Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Today we will be discussing on 5 interesting chart setups to focus on for long-term investing. HDFC Bank, after a good consolidation, is gearing up for an upside breakout. The second stock that we'll be discussing is ITC. ITC is excellently placed and after a good consolidation and is ready for a triangle breakout. The third stock would be Maruti. Maruti, after a good consolidation, is ready for an upside momentum. The next stock that we'll be discussing is Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, after a good consolidation, is gearing up for an upside momentum and is well placed for short-term pick. The last stock that we'll be discussing is Tata Consumers. Tata Consumer, after a good consolidation, is ready for a short-term breakout. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.